Good day guys, this is your at home try it yourself guy. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just doing what I can when I can because I've had so many bad run-ins with mechanics. First of all, this is a Ford 1 liter EcoBoost 2017 Fiesta or Focus. They have the same setup basically. This thing is a vacuum pump. Ford charges 7,000 rand for this thing, around about 7,000. I got it for 700 rand on Timo, and that's a few years ago, and it's still going strong. Now, if you look in there, this is the problem that we're addressing. You see, there's the O-rings that's going around your injectors, right? And Ford charges 1,300 rand, 1,200 and something, almost 1,300 rand for those little things there. But they're so smart, they include the steel things around it there, which you really don't need, because what the hell are you going to do with it? But they know the O-rings is going to break some other time, and so you have to replace the O-rings, and they sell it as a set for 1,300 rand. However, I got it on Timo for 99 rand, believe it or not. So, no, sorry, 74 rand, I got it for 74 rand on Timo. Now, this is the problem that I'm experiencing. Put the O-ring over there and drive few kilometers, poof, brakes, car break down, no pressure in rail, have to get a tow. The mechanic tried about 3 O-rings, he broke the whole set that I bought, and as you can see, that's still the old O-rings there that you put back. But that one's all new, all the O-rings that I bought went on there. I went trying to get a fix there, putting another O-ring on there from another source, it also broke. And then I saw something today, and I saw the chip. The mechanic mentioned something that when he pulled out the injector, they couldn't pull it out because it's tight as shit to get out. And I realized if you say that, then it means that you struggled with the injector. So I inspected the injector, and you see the top there, there's some damage on the top, which means if there's some damage on the top, there's some damage at the bottom also, and that is where your O-ring breaks, because of the damage that is around there where the O-ring should fit. Any damage is like a knife cutting into your O-ring when there's pressure being placed on it. So that is what kept on breaking my O-ring. So now I have to go out and get another injector. And see if I can. Timo's takes very long, but I can see if I can order some online, or if it's cheap enough local, I buy it local, and just change the top, because I don't need the injector, I need the top there. So even if it's a fake injector, as long as the top is the same, I can just change the top. People, we don't have money, we're in a time where we struggle, but we need our vehicles. So every little bit I learn, I put on my website or on this TikTok video, so you can also see for yourself how to fix it and not struggle as I have struggled.